Flight to Singapore.
Ang ina mo lang sa Singapore gago.
Welcome to Singapore! Tutuwa yung mga kliyente natin dito, grabe. Gago ka, bro. 60,000 pesos. Pinoy ka? English ako ng English. Grabe, nakikita ko lang sa Hell's Kitchen eh. I always wanted this for myself. How much is this?
This one I want. You want?
Welcome to Marina Bay Hotel. Wala ko na. Iba ang amoy, Bo. Amoy mayaman, Bo. Saan mo gusto mamili?
Lululemon, man.
Lululemon, meron ba dito?
Sa baba.
Nakakalula mag-shopping dito, Bo. Kulang 2 milyon mo dito. Nag-shopping ka. Since nakalululemon ka naman, this is my house, Bo. Pabili, lululemon to.
Ano to, parang straight or medyo?
This is classic fit. Straight, hindi siya slim fit. Iba pa yung slim fit. Lahat ng pants ko na ganito, lululemon. Underwear.
Meron ba dito?
Magandang underwear dito, Bo. Wala siya underwear, di ba? 108 SGD. Magkano yan? 4,800. Ito ang super prank. Kala niya ako yung magbabayad, di bahala siya dyan. Salary deduction. 3 na lang kunin mo.
Sige.
Puro lang naman to. 5,000.
Kumuha ko dalawang t-shirt rin. Siguro bayaran ko isa.
Anong bayaran mo? Lahat yan, babayaran mo. So, 564 SGD. Kano yun? 25,000 pesos. Yung 2 pantalon lang tsaka underwear.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Success?
Success.
Tara, t-shirt naman. Tsaka shorts.
Swimming.
Pang swimming. Gordon Ramsay, oh. Red Street Kitchen and Bar. Gusto nyo dyan? Let the pan do the work. Mga ganun eh. Tara, try natin dito. Baka may beef Wellington sila dito.
Ang mahal dyan mo eh. Wag yan.
Mission accomplish naman tayo. Sabi ko mamahaling na tong Lululemon. Ito lang pala pinaka-cheap na dito. Come, this segment is called Shopping with Paring Hive. Hila ako sa Golpo. Yan ang brand ko sa Golpo. Fashion show. Shopping done. Nakabili ng 2 polo shirt, nakabili ng 1 pantalon, nakabili ng 3 brief. Wala akong binili. Marami pa nga akong binili. Lahat ng pinasyon show ko, kinuha ko, Bo.
Your friend
Yes.
get one more the quality, then I will free you the luggage.
Only pink?
Have one more black color.
Okay, I will get. Ay, ganda. May free pa tayo. Kasi we are very valuable customer. This is free. This is the promotion. Kilalata ako eh. How much total everything?
Now it's $1,472.
Wala tayong cash na ganun. Let me check if I have enough money. Gago ka, Bo. 60,000 pesos.
Prank tang prank.
Deduction yan, ha?
Hirap bayaran yan ah.
Oh, shopping with Paring Hive! Makita nyo? Ano ba yan? Dapat isa lang eh.
3 lang yung sa akin mo eh. Ilan yung sa'yo?
3 lang din. Sarap pala ma-prank, pre.
Tinanong mo na ako, pinagastos mo pa ako.
Oy, isa lang sabi ko, sasagutin ko. Ang dami mong binili, bahala ka dyan.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Ano tayo? Here, follow me. Kain na na, kain na na. Rolex po, Yachtmaster, 40mm. Rose gold. Marunong, marunong. Chef Ramsay taste, approve ako.
Kamusta po?
Oy,
Okay naman.
Pinoy si ma'am, kumusta po?
Nakain po ba kayo?
Opo,
Kaso
yes.
wala kami reservation po eh.
Okay lang.
Sorry ma'am, I didn't get your name.
I'm Leslie.
Leslie. Grabe, punta kayo guys dito ha. Gordon Ramsay, breadstick. Check nyo si Ma'am Leslie. Manasis pa tayo, nakakahiya po. Welcome to Singapore, guys. Kita nyo, ang ganda oh. Hey guys, oh. Jomar oh. Kita nyo si paring manager oh. Nasikaso talaga oh. Tumatore po oh. Your beef Wellington, does it have pork?
He doesn't have pork.
Okay, good. So we'll have 3 of those. A single slice. Slice of the truffle cannelloni. Is it for sharing or?
You can share it, yes. Sa pasta, di ba? Yung truffle cannelloni.
First, ay, Pinoy ka?
Yes po.
English ako ng English.
Kaya nga eh.
Yung sinasabi. So we would have samosa. Pinoy na pa pala eh. Tsaka ano, boss? Ano? Isang smoked duck breast nga. Tapos isang truffle cannelloni. Tapos isang Caesar salad. For sharing yung 25 na lang. Tapos yun na lang. Okay na yun. Ano, nag-enjoy ka ba? Masarap yung prank ko, di ba?
Nakakapagod.
Pagod talaga pag wala kang ligo. Tsaka side B yung brief mo.
Number 15.
Sino? Ah, totoo?
Yes.
Kilala din pala ako. English pa ako. Yun oh. Caesar salads.
Kung gusto nyo sir, pwede kayo mag-kitchen tour. If you have time.
Pwede rin naman.
If you're
Sige
almost
nga.
done.
Sige.
Sige.
May patur pa tayo sa ano kay Gordon Ramsay po. Beautifully moistened inside. Beautifully done. How about the flavor though? Hup. Perfectly seasoned. Now this is the fish and chips, guys. Seasoned. Just gentle. Then touch. Let's dig in. Potatoes, crispy, delicious, perfectly seasoned. Everything is done nicely. Please extend my congratulations and compliments to the chef. The truffle, pasta. Again, let's do the kitchen tour. Follow us. Hello. How are you guys? Hi, sir. Good evening. Oh, Pinoy rin? Ay, ang daming Pinoy dito talaga. Hello. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Ma'am, ang sarap nung fish and chips. Grabe. Thank you so much.
So you're gonna see our...
Yun yung Wellington. Yan ang Wellington.
So dito, this is where we do our appetizers.
Yan ba yung cold station?
Cold station.
Yan! Galing ko pare.
Galing. Pasok tayo. It's very hot. Grill station, sauce station, garnish station.
Ang init dito ha, pero kaya nila. Sanayan na lang.
Sanay na lang.
Hindi ka kayo maging pasmado.
Okay lang naman.
Really?
Oo, all Filipino.
Pero ang dami rin Pinoy.
Marami, marami.
Hindi pala siya ganun kalaki, pero very functional, no? That's beef Wellington.
So chicken mousse lang with mushrooms. May next na siya.
Perfect.
Now we're going to do some plating for you.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Yan na yung sauce. Grabe, nakikita ko lang sa Hell's Kitchen eh. So guys, ganito yan. It's a creamy mashed potato, perfectly sized potato wedges, and a perfect medium rare
honey glazed carrot.
beef Wellington. Honey glazed,
So normally, red wine juice siya, di ba? So wala na. We don't
Wala
put
na yung
any-
red wine.
Wala na yung red wine.
wow.
So talagang we cater to
Yung mga ulan.
Sauce.
next people aside.
Thank you so much. So it will be served na lang, no?
Will be served
Thank
na
you
lang.
so much, Chef. Maraming salamat. Appreciate it talaga.
Of course, of
What
course.
an experience at
Yes.
Gordon Ramsay Restaurant. Boss, thank you ha. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Here's the beef Wellington with truffle with mashed potato and honey roasted carrots.
Let's try the carrots first.
That's what it is.
Mashed potato. The main event of this evening. Gaano ba nga ba kasarap ang beef Wellington? Yeah.
You got that stuff? Yummy.
Kakaiba. Maraming salamat. Ano ba itong trip na to? Business ba talaga? Shopping? O food trip? Hindi ko alam eh. See you tomorrow guys. Good night. Let's call it a night. Bukas, abangan nyo. Marami pa mangyayari. Okay guys, good morning. We're back at it. Alis na tayo. Punta ulit tayo sa Singapore Coffee where we will meet Gerald Tan, pare. Try natin makipag-deal sa kanya. And then punta tayo kay D-Lugs. Kunin natin yung mga samples na in-order natin sa kanila. Kanagwa.
How are you, bro?
How are you? Hey! Nice seeing you again. How's everything?
It's good. Yourself? How's everything?
Do you have some watches for me?
Of course, bro.
What is that? Oh, the Bulgari. Do you have anything else? Is that a blue one?
No, it's 15703.
That's the older, right? I always wanted this for myself. Complete papers, everything. How much is this?
This one I want. You want SGD, USD?
USD cash.
I want 18,000 for it.
18,000.
Yeah, 18,000.
Come on.
Cheap, good price.
It's not good price. It's not cheap as well.
Good price.
I think we're far off with this one.
Like very far?
80,000 times 57. No, it's 1 million now. How much is the SRP of this one?
So should be about 35? Should be about 35 USD if I'm not wrong.
35,000 US.
I think so.
And what year is this again?
23.
2023. You do trade?
Of course.
I can do. Can you do 31 USD?
Very tight, I can't.
Come on.
It's a really good deal, really.
I go all the way to
My
Singapore.
friend, you flew to see Deluxe. You come to see Ken. You come to see Ken, my friend.
So we fly to Philippines.
Come on, 31.
Millimeter, 31.3.
You really can't do 31 flat?
I really can't. I would love to if I can, but I really can't, bro. 31.3 please.
31 and then 31.2, 31.3. What are you saying?
31.3.
31.3. So you ship everything to me and you shoulder the shipping, everything.
Shipping, insurance,
Yeah.
I'm gonna cover.
You know what? Yeah, I'll take my risk.
Done deal?
Done. Done.
Done deal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
We got 2 watches. An AP Offshore. This is a reference 15703 ST. And then this one is the Bulgari. So this is a 103610. This is the latest model of the Bulgari. Bulgari Octo Finissimo. It's an 8 days power reserve skeleton and super slim. Okay, brother.
Okay.
Done. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank
okay.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Punta na tayo sa D-Lugs, guys. I think our orders are here. This is Ken, the founder of D-Lugs.
Hello.
Yeah, the new partner of Gentry Time Pieces, brother.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for
appreciate
coming.
everything that you've done.
How much?
1,400.
40,000
this box
for the
says-
partnership, guys. 8 counts, yeah.
This is not something we usually do, guys.
Here's your box. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
We have the straps na. Ito yung mga samples natin. We paid for our partnership na basically the credit line natin sa kanila. Tara, DHL na tayo. Mas manager, di pa talaga ako tinulungan, no?
Sa appointment to.
Nyari po eh, ayaw magbuhat eh. Tamad! Iyakin! Guys, time check. It's 12 a.m. in the morning. We are taking off in 20 minutes. Ay, sa bukas. Finally, we're home. Paano ba yan? Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Kahit sa biyahe, matutulog na ako, bro. Hindi ko na kaya, pagod. I'll see you soon.